Hello everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about understanding cryptocurrency to blockchain. So coming to the overview of this presentation covers about cryptocurrency and blockchain. So first of all, what is cryptocurrency? So we know cryptocurrency is a digital currency. It doesn't have any physical form. So it has only, it's like a normal file. So we can only see this, right, digital asset. So we have different properties for this cryptocurrency. The first one is a digital currency. So it doesn't have any physical form. So it is also called as virtual currency. So we don't have any central authority for this digital currency. So for generally we have currency like Indian rupee. To maintain that or to monitor that, we have banks, that is centralized servers. But here to maintain this digital currency, we don't have any central authority or bank or government, right? So it exists purely in electronic form and it is decentralized. So it is available only in the form of electronic form, that is virtual form, and it is decentralized. That means no single entity or single authority will monitor this digital currency. And cryptography. So this cryptocurrency will follow some cryptographic mechanisms to provide the security. For example, if I take this cryptocurrency will be maintained in wallets, and that wallets are called as digital wallets. So these digital wallets will be maintained using two keys. One is public key and the other one is private key. So if I want to receive funds from others, I need to share my public key to them. For example, it's like an email ID. If I want to receive any email from others, I need to share my email to others. So, some X person is transferring money to me, that is digital currency to me. Then what he is using? He is using my public key, that is some email address. So, to this public key, send these many tokens or send these many bitcoins like that. And what about this private key? I want to send some amount or send some currency to X person. So if I want to send this amount to X person, then I need to use my private key. This is like a password. So if I want to send any email from my mail ID, then I need to enter the password, public key, that is email ID. Along with that, I need to enter the password also, that means private key also. Upon using this private key, you can transfer the funds to other account. So using these two keys, it will provide the security for your digital wallets. And decentralization. So of course it uses the blockchain technology, which is decentralized. There is no central authority to monitor these wallets or cryptocurrency. And next is blockchain technology. Most of the cryptocurrencies, they are following the technology called blockchain technology, which maintains a distributed ledger which records all the transaction made with a particular cryptocurrency. So, blockchain in the sense, it is decentralized distributed ledger which maintains immutable ledger. And coming to the examples of this cryptocurrency, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Namecoin. We have so many cryptocurrencies which are based on blockchain technology. All these are applications of blockchain. But coming to the blockchain, it is different. So blockchain itself is a technology, whereas the cryptocurrency is application of blockchain. So we know blockchain, it follows distributed ledger technology. So blockchain is nothing but it is a distributed ledger technology. What do you mean by distributed? So if we have 4 nodes, at each node, the complete ledger will be presented. And decentralized, that means there is no central authority to maintain this data. And immutable. Immutable in the sense, once if I write any data to the network or blockchain, that cannot be modified. And blocks and transaction. So blockchain is nothing but its collection of blocks. All these blocks are linked together and each block will contain some transaction data. How these blocks will be connected? Using the hash. So to calculate the hash of this first block, it will use the hash of the previous block, and the first block of the network is called as Genesis block. So this we discussed in the previous video. So first block is called a Genesis block and it doesn't have any previous block address. Why? Because it doesn't have any previous block. But to calculate the hash of any block, it needs to use the transaction data of the current block, also the hash of the previous block. And immutability and security. As blockchain, we know it is immutability. Once if I write any transaction into the blockchain, that cannot be modified. And it will also provide the security by using some consensus mechanisms. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are nothing but these are the code or program which is executed on the blockchain. So it automatically execute upon satisfying some condition. So these are nothing but self-executing code. So we have some condition. If this condition is true, then automatically the code will be executed. So the use of smart contract is eliminating the need for intermediaries. For example, if some condition is true, automatically do this. So we don't need a person over there. If certain condition is true, automatically this will be done. For example, I want to buy share of a specific company. So what I'm checking, if share price reaches to some certain amount, then only buy this share. So like that I'm writing a smart contract. Then it will check if the share price is so and so amount, then automatically it will buy the shares. So that is about smart contract. So applications beyond cryptocurrency. So in the blockchain technology, one of the application is cryptocurrency, but other than this cryptocurrency, we have some other applications also. Blockchain can be used in many sectors like finance, and it can also used in supply chain, identity verification, voting, healthcare, and we have so many other applications for blockchains. But one of the main application of this blockchain is cryptocurrency. So overall, cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency on the blockchain technology which relies on the blockchain technology, whereas blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology. It provides transparency, security, immutability to wide range of applications beyond this cryptocurrency. Of course, cryptocurrency is one of the application of blockchain, but other than this cryptocurrencies, we also have some other applications also. So in this video, we have discussed about what is cryptocurrency and what is blockchain and how they are different. Thank you.